So guys, this is a new platform that I'm about to introduce. Yeah, it's similar to the great platform that we know of, which is Ultimate, but the only difference, not even only difference, the difference is between this platform called, you can call it Winvest or Winvest, anyone. So, but I think it's pronounced as Winvest. So the difference between Winvest and IT Maths is that this Winvest, you can only mine Bitcoin on it, yes, and it also offers 3% daily, and I don't think it's a compound interest. It's just 3% of whatever capital that you have. So the minimum capital for this is not $1, it's $10. So $10 is what you can invest minimum here. So once you click on the link below this video, it will be shown like this. All you just need to do is to click on open account button right here. You can see it, open account. Just click on it, then you enter your details. You enter your full name, phone number, city, your country. You choose your country, which is Nigeria. Then your email address, your password, your pin code, which is like 4 digit code. Your security question. Your security question can be anything. Maybe what is your best food, what is your best color, what is your name, anything. Then you put your Bitcoin address, so you can get your Bitcoin address from any of the exchanges that you have. Yes, you can get from Binance, you can get from NC wallet, you can get from any wallet or exchange. Just put it there. Then you come here, you enter capture, then you click on I agree button right here, then you click on create an account. So once you create an account, you'll be asked to log in. So I'm going to log in my own account right now, and I'll enter capture again. So I'll click on sign in. So now this is my own account right now. You can see there's already interest on it, and let me tell you, each plan lasts for, I think, 60 days. Yes, 60 days, which is 2 months. So it's not like Ultimate that is to infinity, you understand? So once you have a plan, I think the minimum plan is 60 days. So whatever amount you invest will be for 60 days. So now you can see I've invested $20. Like I do say, invest what you can afford to lose. That is the rule of investment. So invest what you can afford to lose. So after that, let's say you want to deposit now. Like I told you before registering, I told you the platform only mines Bitcoin. They only mine BTC. So if you want to deposit, you have to deposit in Bitcoin. So the minimum is $10. So if it is $10 you want to invest, if it is 15, if it is 12, if it is 13, just enter the amount. The minimum is $10. Once you enter the amount, let's say I want to deposit $10, I'll enter the amount right here. As you can see, this is where you enter the amount. So I'll enter it, then I'll click on invest funds. So once I click on invest funds, it's going to take me to this place. Now what you will do right here is, this amount is the money that you're going to send, and this is where you're going to send the wallet to. So what you just need to do is to message me or any of your vendors. Yeah, if you don't have BTC, you can message me if you want to buy. So then I'll tell you the rate per dollar, then I'll tell you the amount you're going to send in naira. So all you just need to send to me is the amount. You send this to me, this, and the wallet address. So what you just need to do is just click on the copy in front of it, or better still, just screenshot and also copy and send, so that I know that you're copying the right address and the right amount. You understand? That's if you want to send to me. So that will be all. Then you just send to your vendor or to me. Then once you do that, after like some minutes, it will confirm. You get an email that you've invested the so amount. So then you come to your account overview, you click on it, then you are going to see the balance right in your total investment amount. So then your profit will be what will be showing here at the account balance. Then the total earnings you've made will be showing here. Then total withdrawals will be showing here. So now that will be all for now. So you can check out the other sections. So another important part of it that I feel like you will need to know is, maybe if you want to refer, just click on this get referral link. So once you click on get referral link, then you just need to wait a little. Then you see your referral link at the side. So your referral link can only appear. You can see your referral link at the upside. So you just click on copy. Your referral link is going to be copied. So, and you can see these are promotional materials. And yeah, that will be all for now. And if you want to withdraw, I already told you how to withdraw. All you just need to do is to, you must have a balance here. Then click on withdraw funds. Then um then you enter the amount you want to withdraw here, and your Bitcoin wallet address, the one that you entered when you wanted to register, and I think is here already. Yeah, that's it right here. So you can just copy from here, you can see, and copy, then you paste it. Okay, no, you paste it there, you enter the amount, that's if you have a balance. Then you click on proceed, you understand? But I don't have any balance now, so it's not going to give me the option to proceed. So just go to your account overview, and I think that's all for now. Don't need much thing. You can check out the platform, other sections yourself. So that'll be all for now.